Hello everyone. So after recent update of Facebook app, Facebook is making noise when scrolling. So this is some kind of weird update. So yeah, if you just updated the app, like what you need to do. So I just did a research on Reddit, and here seems like the reply that works. That the issue is that you just basically need to turn off in-app sounds. So how to do it? So yeah, you can just read here, tap in the bottom right of Facebook, scroll to the bottom, tap settings and privacy, then tap settings, scroll down to preferences, then tap media, tap next to in-app sound to turn it off. So seems based on Reddit, it kind of solves the issue. So now let's just show it in Facebook app. So here's Facebook app, just tap on your profile in the bottom right, then just go to settings, privacy, go to settings, then go to media, and then here you have this in-app sound feature. So this way you will just disable in-app sound specifically for all these weird sounds for Facebook app, and all this annoying scroll sound will be gone. So you can just do that. Yeah, of course, what you can do as well, you can just put your phone into the kind of silent mode. So just put the toggle on the, depending on your iPhone model, in the top left or top left of your iPhone case or something. At least that's one iPhone 14 Pro. That's where I have it. But if you just put your iPhone into silent mode, all the other apps, all your calls, whatever, everything will be silenced. So you don't want to do that. You just wanted to remove this in-app sound feature from Facebook app. Will all the videos will be silenced on Facebook? Nope. Like you will still be able to see videos and audio, listen to that. So that's just not an issue. But like all these just additional scrolling navigation sounds will be deleted. I don't know why Facebook added that. It doesn't seem to be some kind of a bug, or because it's a kind of like a big company. So it's not like they just released something major update to the app and they just didn't test it and there's like, okay, we just released something, we forgot like that it's making a weird sound. I don't know why. Maybe there are some requirements. Maybe there are some requirements from the European Union or US or some design trick like that. You just need to hear this sound. But yeah, like similar features there is on Twitter X app. When you just update your feed, it has this like sound like that, just to signal to you that you just refreshed your feed. But like majority of people just don't like it. They just want to have their app in silent mode. And also if you're scrolling in some situation where you don't want to see other people that you're scrolling, like it instantly shows that you are scrolling this. But so this is like this in-app sound solution. There is no possibility just to disable this sound specifically for this scroll thing. So maybe you need this in-app sounds for Facebook, but you just don't like this specific sound. But yeah, so that's just what you can try to do at this moment. If you have any workarounds about this, any other suggestions, just leave them in the comments below.